Oh, this is so good. Hello beautiful besties and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Cheraye. Welcome. If you happen to be returning, you're truly appreciated. Thank you so much and welcome back, dwellings. Today, you guys, we are finally diving into our segment of fall. Yes, we are going to be talking about some fall essentials that are must-haves and some of my favorite fall fragrances. These are also great fragrances from transitioning from summer to fall. If you want to hear what they are, please continue to watch. Here on this channel, I do cover fashion, beauty, luxury, lifestyle, all things fancy and fabulous dwelling. So if that sounds like something that you'd be into or you'd want to be a part of, first and foremost, stop what you're doing. Drop me your scent of the day. I want to know what you're rocking. Also, if this feels like your vibe or your zhush, go ahead and consider hitting the subscribe button. Don't stop there. Tap the notification bell. It's going to alert you every single time there is a new video placed on this channel. Without further ado, we are jumping into this video right now. Hey besties, I am so excited, you guys. It's finally fall. We are reaching for our heavy hitters. We are going to start kind of light, and then all month long into fall, we will be covering fall fragrances. All of the products that I am sharing with you today can be picked up at Nordstrom. Thank you so much to Nordstrom for sponsoring this video. I truly appreciate you. You guys, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I go in Nordstrom all the time, and I'm always in there having the best time. I have so many amazing client advisors in there. The customer service is absolutely amazing. They're closer to you, promise. It's a campaign that they have, and it's so amazing and it's so helpful. It's so inclusive, and I absolutely love it. I go there for everything, but I really thoroughly enjoy myself in the beauty area because it's everything all in one place, all under one umbrella. I can get skincare, as you've seen if you follow me on Instagram. I was shopping Charlotte Tilbury, I was shopping Chanel, I was shopping Bobbi Brown, I was shopping Jo Malone, I was shopping Byredo. There's so many things in there that I use every single day, especially when it comes to beauty, especially when it comes to skincare, hair, you name it, they have it, and I can find it all right there. Another thing that I truly want to point out is that I was in there shopping. You guys, make sure you check out my Instagram, okay? Because I'm spilling the tea over there. I was in Nordstrom shopping, and Charlotte Tilbury came out with the body cream, and I wanted to try it. I'd heard a lot about it, but I really didn't know if I really wanted it. The client advisor in there, she's so kind. She goes, you're not going to be able to experience it off of just one sample. So I'm going to give you two, so that way you can try it a few times and see if you like it. And that's the kind of stuff I can appreciate when I'm shopping somewhere, them valuing, you know, what I think, letting me try before I buy, and different things like that. Also, you guys, I want to make mention of this as well. If you are shopping in Nordstrom ever and you have your jeans like I do, where the butt will fit but the waist is too big, check out their tailoring service. They do have a tailoring service. They will come right into your dressing room, fit you. You can come back in, pick up your tailors. They have so many inclusive programs that are there to make it very easy and convenient for us to shop. I know I talked to a lot of you before and you were like, I don't have one in my area, or I have to get out and get kids out and everything like that. You don't have to worry about it. You can do the curbside pickup. They have so many different options, and it's so inclusive for all of us. They have very high end, they have affordable, they have a little bit of something for everyone. And like I said, I cannot stress, for me personally, what I love the most is that all of the products that I use every single day are all under one umbrella. And that's what I'm always saying. I was in there, I was doing NARS. Oh my gosh, yeah, they have NARS. I mean, everything that I use is in there. I'm like, even Quay, I'm probably saying that wrong, but they even have that for my hair. I'm like, I can go get my hair, I can go get my Chanel, I can go get my fragrance, I can go get my candles, I can go get Labo, I can go get Byredo. It's all in one place. Do you see what I'm saying? So Nordstrom, shout out to you and thank you for your promise to us. I truly see you and thank you. Okay, let's start with the easy reach to everyday. I spoke about this last year. Like I stated, I picked it up at Nordstrom. One of you recommended it to me. This is Trish McAvoy. Hopefully I said that right. This is blackberry and vanilla musk. You guys, this is so good. I've been sleeping in it like crazy. I don't know why. I've just been reaching for it. It's kind of comforting. It's fresh. It's clean. For those of you that are not wanting to come in and disturb the peace, or you don't want the fragrance to arrive before you do, you want something easy to put on, a signature scent, something you can wear to work every day, something you can wear to church, something you can wear on a date, something you can wear to brunch. This is a one and done. In this particular lineup that I'm sharing with you today, this would be considered consider it my one and done. We're not gonna spend a lot of time on notes because I have full dedicated reviews to all of these fragrances, but these are just ones that I wanna put in front of you, maybe bring them back out of your collection, or maybe you can go in and try them out. This one has blackberry, it's plum, it has orange, white rose, it's musk, it's vanilla, it's cashmere and woods. You guys, this is really good, and I even put on here, it's soft, it's sensual, it's simple, it's a fragrance that can be worn every day, it's easy reach, this can be worn day or night. I will have it linked in the description box below. And another thing, you guys, to make it really easy, I'm gonna have my obsessed with it in there. It's gonna be one link, it's gonna start with an O, obsessed with it. Everything that I'm talking about today will be in that link. So if you just wanted to shop everything or a few things, tap on that link, it'll take you right there. We are making it easy, just like Nordstrom. Okay, another one that's easy to sleep in, it's warm, it's comforting. This holds a special place in my heart. It was my first fragrance ever that I ever got from Jo Malone. This one here is Jo Malone, and this is Mimosa and Cardamom. This is sweet, it's a yellow floral, it's warm, it's amber, it's tonka bean. This is so comforting and so, oh gosh, it's a, and I have the body cream too. So I layer these at night. I used to wear this out a lot, but I've compartmentalized it now as a bedtime fragrance. I even wear it like if we're just gonna chill in the house. You know how they have those rainy nights here in LA, we don't know how to act when it rains, so everybody just stays inside because it's like, oh, we can't go outside, it's rainy. I'm one of those as well. Pick somebody else. So I do sleep in this. I find it very comforting. I'll date in the house in this if we're gonna sit by the fireplace, make a charcuterie board. I would just be like dousing myself in this because it's so good. And no matter how much I spray, because you know I spray heavy, it's really not off-putting, at least not for me. So I would highly recommend checking out Jo Malone, Mimosa, and Cardamom. I move on. Now this heavy hitter, okay? A lot of people can have something to say about it, but she loves it, okay? She loves it, and I am so excited I'm about to start reaching for it because it is a favorite. Yes, tons of people have it. It just means that I'm amongst people who all have great taste, okay? And I am talking about Labo, another brand that is carried at Nordstrom. You can go in, you can have your bottle engraved, or what should I say, not engraved. You can have, like, you know how they have the top of it. You can have it, you know, your name on it, the date that you had it made. You can have something special on it. Mine says, I don't care how many people have this bottle, there's only one me. That's how I feel about you too. There's only one you, so rock what you love. This is Santal 33. This is a woody fragrance. It's so uber sexy. It's loud, it projects, it stands out. It's gonna get some attention, grab some attention, but I always tell you, it's up to you to hold the attention. It's up to you. I'm giving you the blueprint. It's up to you to hold the attention, but this is definitely gonna help you grab the attention. Okay, I move on. Now these next two, because what does she love to do? Date. Both of these would be appropriate for a sexy date night. This is Myrrh and Tonka. You know, if you've been here when I got this fragrance, I fell in love. It was all the rage, all the everything. I definitely got to spray this on my skin. I don't even know why I reach for the paper. I'm gonna still spray it on my skin. This is so sexy. Oh, this is so good. This is so good. Now this, I would say, this is easing into sexy. Yes, this is easing into sexy. This is really, really good. But this next one, this is taking it over the top. And that is, oh my God, I cannot wait to rock it. This is Velvet Rose and Oud. This is like that deep, dark, sensual red rose and oud. And don't be afraid when you hear me say the word oud, because it's not that kind of oud. It's not in your face, it's not loud, it's not off-putting. If you know the oud that's inside of Oud Satin Mood from Maison Francis Kurkdjian, it's in that realm of a fragrance. It does not smell like that, but it's over in that realm of a fragrance. I would probably say it's not as strong, but it's definitely in that realm of a fragrance. It's so good. Now you guys, these are, I've already sprayed everything on the side. Oh my God, it's good. And they have a diffuser, a reed diffuser, and I believe it's called Red Roses. If you want your bedroom to smell like fresh cut stem red roses, I'm gonna pop a picture up so you can see it. Grab that reed diffuser. I'm gonna actually put it in the Obsessed With It link. I'm gonna link it because it's just that good. If you love fresh cut red roses, long stem, you need to get that reed diffuser. I generally pick it up every single year at Nordstrom. There's not gonna be any difference this year. I'm gonna probably pop in and pick that up sooner than later. But yes, if you have not tried Velvet Rose and Oud, I'd highly recommend it. The difference between the clear bottle and the black bottle is these are more intense. These are intense colognes, and these right here are just the cologne. The ones that are more intense, they're gonna give you more longevity, more projection, I move on. Let's move over into skincare. One skincare product that I have to share with you. Going into the cooler months, our skin starts to get very, very dry. Charlotte Tilbury is one that I have been using for years. I alternate between different skincares, you know, every 3 months, every 6 to 8 weeks, because my skin will get used to something. It's time to try something new or bring in something old and repeat it again. So that's what we're doing. Every winter I reach for this. This is Charlotte's Magic Cream. This is a beauty sleeping cream. You guys, this is so good. I want to say this right off the bat. This is thick. So when you put this on your skin before you go to bed, hydrate your skin, do your facial routine, this is the last thing that I put on. I go to bed, and if you ever heard of slugging or whatever it's called, where everything is just very sticky on your face, that is how this is. But when you wake up in the morning, as smooth as a baby's bottom. Is that what they say? As smooth as a baby's bottom. It's soft, it's plump, it's firm. I've been using this, I kid you not. If you've been here to the channel, you know. So this I can vouch for. I have used this. Now these are refillable, so you can take this out, pop it off, and just buy the refill and put it back in and close it up, and you're good to go. Once you buy the container, you do not need to go and repurchase it and do it again and again. Once you bought it once, all you need to do is just buy the refill. This is really good. So if you have dry skin, if you suffer from dull skin, dehydrated skin, anything like that, this is one that I would highly recommend. And I already have a backup upon a backup because I picked up a backup during the Nordstrom's anniversary sale. If you've been here, you remember that. Let me show you the texture of it. So this is what it looks like. This is it here. So if you see that there and you rub it, you guys, this right here, a little goes a long ways. When I say it's thick, it's thick. So you're going to bed with your skin hydrated, and in the morning, just thank me later. Just thank me later. And it's so soft to the touch. I wouldn't say it's greasy. It's just thick. You definitely know it's there. Look at that. You see, it gives such a nice shine, and that's what it does to your face. And I'm gonna be honest, I overuse it. I mean, I put too much. It doesn't call for as much as I put, but I love it. So I just go to bed and I'm just like, I'm glowing going to bed. I'm showing up to bed how I wanna be in the morning. Dewy, firm, plump, that's how I'm showing up. If you know anything about the holidays, if you know anything about the season, red is all the rage. So who has one of the most popular red lipsticks? MAC Ruby Woo. And so I do have that here to share with you guys. I have like 2 or 3 of these. I always reach for this when we talk about the holiday parties. This is a classic. This has been around forever. I also have the Charlotte Tilbury, and this is the lip liner. This is Lip Cheat, and this is in the shade Pillow Talk Intense 3. This is a lip cheat. This is one that I talk about all the time. You guys are always asking me, what's the lip combo? Today's lip combo is this, along with Penelope Pink, and then I have a gloss over it. It's really pretty. If you like cork, if you like any of those from MAC, you're going to love this. It glides on. So this is how the red looks. It's a very universal red. I feel it goes with all skin tones, and you know I'm about to put some on. All right, and this is it. So because I lined it with a darker lip liner, it's not as pop or in your face or as bold. The brown lip liner kind of calms it down a little bit, making it more of a fall vibe. But if I was going to like a holiday party or anything like that, where I wanted my lips to be on, you know, like the focal point of the outfit or something like that, I was wearing something like black or white or something very shimmery, this is all you need. You could do a simplistic hairstyle, very simplistic makeup, make this your focal point, and you are good to go. So I would highly recommend, if you don't have a nice red lipstick and you need something, like I said, it's gonna be all the rage. Red is on trend, really on trend. You wanna add this to your collection. You can see just by putting that on that it's already done something different for the look dwelling. And we're here for it, right? We are here for it, dwelling. I love it. And that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to stop by my video today. I truly appreciate you. Do not forget to check out the description box. Everything is going to be linked down below, and you can shop all of these products at Nordstrom and more. Remember, they are making it convenient and very easy for us to shop. Again, thank you to Nordstrom for sponsoring today's video. I truly appreciate you. I will see you all in the next video. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous, darlings. Thanks for watching. Bye.